A common mistake made by many dieters is not taking into account what they drink. The truth is the fluids you consume can have just as big an impact on your waistline and your health as the foods you eat. Of course, that means for dieters who are serious about losing weight, no more soda and no more alcohol. But what about green tea and black tea? Are these teas good for you, or could they actually cause you to gain unwanted weight? In this video, I'm going to show you why green tea is making you fat and why you should be drinking red tea instead. Most people think green tea, in particular, can help you lose weight, not gain it, but that may not necessarily be the case. Several studies have shown that green tea does not affect weight loss. For example, a Cochrane review of green tea research found that green tea led to only small, statistically insignificant weight loss in overweight or obese adults. The review also noted that regular consumption of green tea didn't help people keep weight off. In addition to these alarming findings, there could be another problem. If you are putting sugar into your green tea, that could be a source of extra calories that you are not accounting for. So what about black tea? Black tea is actually burnt green tea, and it is full of caffeine just like regular green tea. Ingesting too much caffeine can cause heart palpitations, nausea, vomiting and jittery feelings. Another common problem with black tea is that it is often taken with milk, which slows down the absorption rate of valuable antioxidants and polyphenols. Surprisingly, skim milk slows this process down at a greater extent than whole milk. So if green tea and black tea are not ideal for weight loss, what should the responsible dieters drink? I myself used the red tea, which is delicious by the way, to lose 14 pounds in 14 days, and since I've started drinking the tea I've now lost a total of 41 pounds. Another great thing about red tea is that you don't have to travel to Africa to get it, like I did. You can make this tea using ingredients you likely have in your kitchen right now, or that are definitely available at the local grocery store. Now I can't share the secret recipe with you right here, but I can tell you about the 5 ingredients within the tea that have been shown to enhance metabolism and burn fat. Secret ingredient number 1, I call this the incredible fat cell shrinker. It contains a unique bioflavonoid which reduces stress hormones that contribute to hunger and the storage of fat, while it increases glucose uptake to aid in the balance of blood sugar levels and insulin resistance. That means you'll feel more energized while you get thin, because this special ingredient has been shown to inhibit the production of new fat cells. But even more important, this ingredient's powerful antioxidants protect the liver against damage, aid in reducing cholesterol, help regulate your blood sugar levels, and even improve your mood. Now, it's important that this ingredient is mixed at just the right amount. That's why you'll need to download the recipe today and follow it exactly, otherwise, you won't get the results you want. Moving on, secret ingredient number 2. This second unique ingredient decreases calorie intake with a mechanism that works by blocking dietary fat digestion and then acting as an antioxidant and reducing inflammation. Plus, it increases feelings of fullness and enhances glucose and fat metabolism, so you burn more fat while absorbing fewer calories. This is important because it means you can still eat plenty of food, and your body will simply take fewer calories, making it easy to lose weight. Secret ingredient number 3. This third unique ingredient increases blood flow and stimulates the secretion of adrenaline to boost your metabolic fat burning rate, while it also improves insulin sensitivity and lowers cholesterol. It is a great detoxifier, and it even helps your digestive system clear food faster, keeping your whole body cleaner. Secret ingredient number 4. The fourth unique ingredient is a diuretic, so it promotes urine flow, but without altering the excretion of sodium and potassium, and it won't cause dehydration. This is critical to detoxing your body the right way. It promotes the functioning of the kidneys and liver and increases the amounts of various enzymes in the digestive tract, so it helps improve digestion and flushes the fat. Again, it's incredibly important that you use these ingredients in just the right amount. If you just mix them all together without the recipe, you won't enjoy the body detoxing, fat-burning, energy-boosting effects you need. Secret ingredient number 5, the final unique ingredient in this red tea, helps the body to metabolize carbohydrates more effectively. It has been shown to lower insulin resistance while stimulating metabolism, helping prevent increased fat storage by ensuring that lower blood sugar levels are maintained. This special spice improves the speed of digestion and gives relief from gas and bloating too. It makes this red tea taste delicious, and it adds a powerful fat-burning boost. That's why I believe that red tea could be the breakthrough many people who have been struggling to lose fat have been waiting for. It's a delicious tea that requires no doctor's visits, no lectures about losing weight, no expensive pills, no starving yourself, and no intense workouts, and best of all, it helps eliminate harmful fat by working with your body's natural fat-burning metabolism, and doing it all without you feeling any cravings or hunger pangs. Imagine enjoying the foods you love, steak, a beer, or even a dessert completely guilt-free. Imagine living a life free of expensive prescriptions and endless doctor's visits to renew the pills. And imagine feeling good and living your life without obsessing about every single calorie you eat, all while knowing your health is being protected by one of the most powerful natural healing red teas ever discovered. The Red Tea Detox system is changing the way people lose weight, and it could be just what you need to reach your weight loss goals. Visit the link down below to learn more and discover if the program is right for you.